Welcome to a revolution in skincare, where every drop nourishes deeply and naturally. Our journey begins with nature's finest, grass-fed tallow, shea butter, cocoa butter, sea buckthorn oil, and more, blended to perfection. Discover Tallow's secret, a molecular makeup almost identical to your skin's own oils, for unmatched hydration and repair. Rich in essential vitamins, our products don't just moisturize, they rejuvenate, protect, and heal. Experience the gentle touch of nature. Our blend absorbs beautifully, leaving your skin soft, supple, and radiant. If you wouldn't eat it, why wear it on your skin? Choose Eat My Face for skincare that's as natural as eating healthy. Dive into the embrace of nature today.